You used to not be able to create apps at this quality, this fast, with any type of tool. What I have for you guys today is by far the most exciting video I've ever made on this channel. In this video, you're gonna learn how to build your own $1 million app using this brand new AI tool called Bolt.New. What you're gonna see in today's video literally wasn't possible 50 days ago, and now it's the most important skill that anybody can learn in this entire AI boom. And I'm here to break it down for you step by step. Like, subscribe, let's jump into this video. So what is Bolt? So Bolt is a full stack AI coder. It does front end, back end, and database connections. And so all you have to do as the user is chat with it in English, and it'll write your entire code base. It'll make your entire website, and it'll connect all the necessary tools that you need to actually make your application happen. It's absolutely insane how accurate it is, and I have a little bar chart of its coding accuracy compared to the best developers in the world, its decision making, and its level of innovation. Meaning the average Joe for the first time in history can make applications that are at a very high level. And so this is going to change the entire world, and you need to get ahead of this ASAP. And you don't just have to build a web app, you can build an iPhone app, Android app, Web3 project, crypto project, NFT project, the list goes on and on. But in today's video, guys, what you will learn is how to actually build out a $1 million software in minutes. Really quick, guys, as an example, I'm gonna explain what we made with Bolt. Now, Bolt is very interesting because you can create your product as an MVP, and then when you get market validation, you can actually start building it out with a real coder. And my company at Batty Ventures does this exact thing. We build MVPs, and when they get validated, we actually then build out the entire project with our development team. MarketMatrix.ai is our first project that we'll be releasing in the next few days. And this is the final app that we were able to build, and it can literally show you information from every single stock in the entire stock market. But what's really crazy about it is that it grabs 5 years worth of data from the SEC, and it charts it all down on a graph, which is something that used to not be possible. And our AI is able to grab this information and put it into these beautiful charts. This is just the company facts, but we can also look at the insider trading, and we can see which C-suite executives actually sold or bought internally. Last thing that you can do is you can even chat with our AI bots about the stock information or the revenue information or any of the other information. So we're going to teach you how we can build a MVP that can eventually turn into something like that in this video today. Honestly, I think that this first app, Market Matrix, can do about $10 million. For today's video, guys, I'm going to talk about how you can make money with Bolt.New. Now, the possibilities are literally endless, but who am I to just show you a shiny object and not tell you exactly how to use it? So I teach 4 different ways that you can make money with Bolt.New. And the first one is just building front-end websites, because places like Fiverr or Upwork, they charge thousands of dollars for high-end front-end websites. And here you are able to do this with Bolt.New in a matter of minutes. And you're going to see that in today's video. But you can also build your own AI SaaS, just like our Market Matrix AI project. But the third point is what I'm most excited about, guys, right? So you can build AI automations and connect them to Bolt.New. I am already giving away a bunch of my automations to you guys and to my community. And so basically you can grab these AI automations and you can turn them into mini SaaS projects. And so an example of this would be our Clonify. I'm actually going to show you that really quick. It clones a video of yourself with a new script that you feed it. But now we are able to build an entire SaaS with it using Bolt.New. So this is basically what it looks like. Put an email, I'll put my username, I'll put a fake video. Okay, so that's our cloned video. We can add a new script. This script is for my new clone video example on Bolt.New. And I can submit that request. We can see the video is uploading. It's going to the cloud, to the database, and the submission completed successfully. So that's perfect. So now all we have to do is just look at the results, and we can see all of our new video results that we've been using for our automation. But now the quality of your automation is so nice. So we got an end product back from another script that I put in, and here we go.
Runway ML just made AI videos feel like real Hollywood movies. Listen up, creators. If you've been...
So that is insane how we were able to make an entire SaaS website. So you guys hopefully are starting to see how freaking lucrative this is and how much money you guys can make with these new AI tools. But in today's video, guys, let's just head back to our presentation and let's talk about the other ways that you can make money, right? So that was the build AI automations. But then once you build these AI automations, you can then install them as internal tools. And so the other really crazy thing about this is there's going to be so many different people that need these internal tools. And so now you can literally just grab one automation, put it into Bolt, and just change how the website looks and give it to this influencer, give it to that company, give it to this brand, give it to this influencer, give it to that creator, you know? So that's how you're actually going to make millions off of this. So now that we got through this, I need to hype you guys up because this is literally the best moment in history. Like, I'm not even kidding. If you are an entrepreneurial guy, if you're driven, if you have a goal, if you have visions, if you have any type of determination to pull off anything or make a name of yourself in this world, this is the greatest opportunity I have ever seen. And I've been an entrepreneur scene for now 6 years. Okay. You must, though, take action to get ahead. There's a massive learning curve that we are up against that is going to be the biggest hurdle. And I'm here to teach you everything that I know, but at the end of the day, you're still going to have to take a little bit of action. Okay. Now, the reason why I know that this is literally the best opportunity in the world is that 2 months ago, this used to literally be impossible. You used to not be able to create apps at this quality, this fast, with any type of tool. You would have had to know how to code. You would have had to sit in front of a computer and write out the code yourself. So now it's the most important time to learn this specific skill because this is something that people are going to need at a high demand. And our AI agency at fitnessautomations.com is experiencing this firsthand. Another way that you guys can understand this is if you got into drop shipping in 2010, even if you weren't good at drop shipping, since you were the first mover, you would have made millions of dollars. And this is the exact same thing here. Even if you're brand new to AI, heading into this direction will give you that first mover's advantage, and that doesn't last long. So today, guys, we're going to be building a social analytics tool that tracks a content creator's performance across all social media platforms. And so this will be an internal tool that is sold to companies, influencers, and creators, and it's going to help them with their trends, help them reach out to sponsors, help them learn how their social medias are performing, help with their organization overall and where they should invest more time into. Let's say they're growing on Twitter and now they need to start investing more time on Twitter, or let's say their Instagram posts aren't doing so well, so now they need to invest more time on waking up their Instagram channel, etc., etc., etc. So let's head into Bolt.New and let's get this baby started. Okay, so we're in Bolt.New and I'm literally just going to prompt it with, I am building a social media analytics tool. This tool allows creators to connect their social media platforms to our software, and we will track all of their data across all of their social media platforms. Their dashboard will feature a ton of graphs, pie charts, and data correlating to their total social media analytics, such as views generated, subscriber counts, best performing social media platforms, and so on. Okay, so we're just going to send that in and we're going to let this guy cook. Okay, so you literally just let Bolt cook. All right, so it's now going to just write out all the pages that we need. And then once that's done, we're going to have this beautiful preview page that's hopefully going to show us exactly what I had in mind. Okay, so hopefully it shows us a bunch of different social media pages, their icons, their results, how many followers we're generating, how many views we're generating, what our best performing social media app is, and stuff like that. If we look here in the actual code base, we can see that it's starting to build out some of these pages for us. So that's all really, really cool. and we're just gonna let it cook. And we'll got it back. I've created a modern professional social media analytics dashboard with the following features. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's see how it came out. Okay, so that's a pretty good beginning dashboard. Now I'm actually going to give it some more inspirations, and we're going to make this look just a little bit better. Okay, guys, so after a few more prompts, we were able to update this dashboard. So this is the dashboard overview, but if we actually want to go into the dashboard, we could just go into here, which is our social media dashboard. And what this will have is a total audience that will connect all of our social medias together, our overall growth, combining all of our socials together, and our top performing platform. And then it puts this chart here that actually overlays the growth of all of our social media platforms at the same time. Okay, cool. And then here it would have each individual platform breakdown. So on YouTube, we gained 12.5%. And this can really help creators track and also like gamify their growth here on social media. So that's really cool. Here, guys, to actually turn this into a full-fledged app, what you would need to do is then add your API keys and all these different keys that you need. And so that's going to be in a completely different video where I actually build out Clonify using Bolt.New. And I'm going to try and get that done in 10 minutes. So definitely stay on the lookout for that video. But as you guys can see, the amount of detail that we were able to get from 1 to 2 prompts is absolutely ridiculous, okay? It's ridiculous. So this type of site alone is something that you could then sell off in Upwork or Fiverr type of field, and you can probably make like $500 to $1,000 just from selling the infrastructure of your website. But if you create the entire app like we're doing with the market matrix, then we're talking millions of dollars.